Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating. So the question is sleep deprivation. So here is a person is said to be a sleep deprived if he sleep strictly less than 7 hours. Okay, so person said to be sleep deprived if he is strictly less than 7 hours. Okay, so the chef was only able to sleep x hours yesterday. Determine he would be able that he that his sleep is deprived or not. You just have to determine whether the sleep is less than 7 or not. Okay, if it is less than 7, then you just have to print yes, and if it is not, then you just have to print no. Okay, so let's understand with an example here. So there is given sleep deprived if it is less than 7. Okay, if it is less than 7, then you just have to print yes. Okay, and if it is greater than 7, then you just have to print no. Okay, greater than or equals to 7, then you just have to print no. Okay, so there is an example here. Example here is given 4 7 4 7 10. Okay, 4 7 10. So here is the number of test cases is 3, and you just have to check whether this is the sleep deprived or not. Okay, so the 4 is less than 7, so you just have to print yes, and the 7 is greater than or equals to 7, then you just have to print no, and again it is greater 10 is greater than or equals to 7, then you just have to print no. Okay, so let's write the pseudocode here. So you just have to take int t, and then you just have to do cnt while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do the test, you just have to take the test cases int x and c in x. Okay, then you just have to check if x is less than 7, then you just have to print yes. Okay, then you just have to print yes, else if x is greater than or equals to 7, then you just have to print no. Okay, so I hope you understand the pseudocode here. So let's write the code. First you have to take the number of test cases int t, and then cnt while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take int x and then cnx if x is less than 7, then you just have to print cout no, and then else you just have to do cout yes. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code I just yes. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.